Our next topic is introduction. William Gilbert was the first to systematically investigate the phenomena of magnetism using scientific method. And the Oersted suggested a link between electricity and magnetism. Then Maxwell also proved that the electricity and magnetism represented difference from the same fundamental force field, and the magnetic monopoles do not exist always magnetic dipole. But the electrostatic, you have learned about the relationship between electric field and force due to electric charge and electric dipole. The analogous concept of the magnetism is the magnetic pole do not exist always in magnetic dipole. In this chapter we have discussed the elementary accepted the magnetism and magnetic material. Okay, so the next topic is magnetic line of force and magnetic field. You have studied properties of electric line. Okay, the force earlier in this electrostatic force or magnetic lines of force originated from the north pole to south pole. Okay, start from north pole to end of south pole. Then next, the magnetic line of force of magnet closed loop. This is the contract to the case of electric dipole, and electric lines of force originated from positive charge and end of the negative charge, means they form continuous loop, the positive loop to negative loop. Then the direction of the net magnetic field at a point is given by the tangent to the magnetic line of force at that point, means the number of magnetic force line in the strength of magnetic field. The number of lines of force crossing per unit area decide the magnitude of the magnetic field, means the magnetic field line do not intersect each other. The magnetic line of force do not intersect each other because they had intersect the direction of magnetic field, not be a unique point. Then the magnitude of the magnetic field strength B, means magnetic field at a point in the magnetic field is given by the magnetic field is equal to magnetic flux upon area. The number of line of force is called the magnetic flux. Okay, the number of line of force is a magnetic flux, and SI unit of a magnetic flux is Weber. So strength of magnetic field at a point, the magnetic field is equal to magnetic flux upon area. So B is equal to Fa upon area. SI unit of the magnetic field B is equal to Fa by A. So magnetic flux is equal to SI unit of Weber, and area is SI unit is meter square. So overall it is called as also Tesla.